Have you ever wondered about the structure of our solar system? Let's dive in. Our solar system is a fascinating structure home to the sun and all objects bound by its gravitational force, including planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and more. The solar system is a dynamic structure where all components interact with each other through gravity. At the center of it all we have the sun, our very own star, providing most of the energy for this system. Then comes Mercury, followed by Venus, our own Earth, and Mars. Each one is closer to the sun, each one carrying its own unique qualities. These are our inner planets, each one unique and fascinating in its own way. Beyond Mars and the asteroid belt we find the gas giants. Jupiter, the largest, boasts over 80 moons. Saturn, with its striking rings, follows. Uranus, unique with its tilted axis, and Neptune, with its intense storms, complete the lineup. These giant planets, along with the thousands of asteroids in the belt, make up the outer region of our solar system. Venturing further out we encounter the comet sands, a realm beyond Neptune teeming with comets and trans-Neptunian objects. Beyond lies the Kuiper belt, a ring of icy bodies including dwarf planets. Even further the far-flung Oort cloud, theorized to be a cradle of long-period comets. These distant regions of our solar system are still largely unexplored and hold many mysteries waiting to be discovered. From the sun to the farthest reaches of the Oort cloud, our solar system is a marvel of cosmic forces and celestial bodies. It's an intricate dance of gravity, from the inner planets to the gas giants, through the asteroid belt and beyond. This dynamic system, filled with asteroids, comets and moons, is constantly evolving. Every day, new discoveries continue to enrich our understanding of this vast and fascinating cosmic neighborhood we call home.